If you want to close your current account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your current account using the mobile app or website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of the app or website. Step 3. Find the close account option. Look for the option that says close account or delete accounts. This may be located under account management or security settings. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Click on the close account option and follow the on-screen prompts. You may need to confirm your identity and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm closure. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Make sure to check for any remaining balances or pending transactions before finalizing the closure. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to Currents customer support for assistance.